Hey everyone! Is your transmission slipping, shifting hard, or getting stuck in gear? If you've scanned your car and found trouble code P0870, transmission fluid pressure, TFP sensor, switch, C circuit, then this video is for you. Ignoring this issue can lead to severe transmission failure, but don't worry, I'll explain what this code means, its symptoms, common causes, and the exact sensor locations to help you fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0870? The P0870 trouble code is triggered when the transmission control module TCM detects a problem with the transmission fluid pressure TFP sensor C. This sensor is responsible for monitoring hydraulic pressure and ensuring smooth gear shifts. Common symptoms of P0870: harsh or delayed gear shifting, transmission stuck in one gear, also known as limp mode, check engine light or transmission warning light, slipping or erratic gear engagement, and burning smell from overheated transmission fluid. Now, let's move on to the most important part, sensor locations. To properly diagnose P0870, check these key components. Transmission fluid pressure sensor TFPS-C. Location, typically mounted on the transmission valve body, inside or outside the transmission case. Function, measures hydraulic pressure and sends data to the TCM, Transmission Control Module TCM. Location, usually found near the transmission housing or in the engine bay, close to the firewall. Function, regulates gear shifts based on pressure readings from the TFPS, transmission pump and valve body. Location, inside the transmission case, accessed by removing the transmission pan. Function, maintains hydraulic pressure for smooth shifting, transmission wiring harness and connectors. Location, runs from the transmission to the ECU TCM, often routed near the engine bay. Function, transfers electrical signals for pressure monitoring and shifting control. Common causes of P0870. First, faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor TFPS. The sensor may be sending incorrect readings to the TCM. Second, dirty or contaminated transmission fluid. Debris can block fluid passages and affect pressure levels. Third, low or overfilled transmission fluid. Incorrect fluid levels can lead to pressure irregularities. Fourth, wiring issues or loose connections. Damaged wires or corroded connectors can disrupt sensor signals. Fifth, failing transmission pump or valve body. Internal components may not be regulating pressure properly. Sixth, TCM software malfunction. A corrupted or outdated TCM may misinterpret pressure data. How to fix P0870? Step 1. Check and replace transmission fluid. Ensure it's at the correct level and free from debris. Step 2. Inspect the TFPS-C sensor. Test it with a multimeter and replace if necessary. Step 3. Examine wiring and connectors. Look for damaged or corroded connections and fix them. Step 4. Check the transmission pump and valve body. Clean or replace if clogged or faulty. Step 5. Scan for additional codes. Related transmission codes can provide more clues. Step 6. Reset or update the TCM software. A reset may resolve miscommunication issues. Final words. The P0870 trouble code means there's an issue with transmission fluid pressure sensor C, which can cause shifting problems and potential transmission failure. By checking fluid levels, sensors, and wiring, you can diagnose and fix the issue before it leads to expensive repairs. Watch these related videos next. P0606, Control Module Processor Performance, P0607, Control Module Performance Error. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.